Rose. The red rose is the national emblem of England. It was adopted as a national emblem of England around the times of the Wars of Roses. The Rose of England is a royal badge symbolizing the end of the Wars of the Roses and the marriage between the House of Lancaster and the House of York. Thistle. The symbol of Scotland is thistle. The legend says that the Vikings wanted to take over Scotland. The Scots raised an army to defend country. They camped by the River Tay, sleeping and not expecting an enemy. When the Vikings decided to attack the Scots, they took off their shoes to make less noise. The Scots raised the alarm, and the Vikings were forced to retreat. Shamrock. The national emblem of Northern Ireland is shamrock. It is related to the patron saint of Ireland, Patrick, who brought Christianity to Ireland. Saint Patrick taught the Irish to love nature as a visual aid in studying faith. He plucked a clover leaf and explained that there is God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit, but they are as one as three leaves on one sprout. Daffodil. The symbols of Wales are leek and daffodil. The daffodil is a yellow flower that appears in spring. Some Welsh people attach one to their coat on St. David's Day, on the 1st of March. The leek has been a Welsh symbol since the 17th century, when Wales's patron St. David advised the army to wear leeks so they could identify each other.